We never meet it. Eh? Oh, you can't in love when you never meet a person. No, me. Yeah. The small dumpling. You small dumpling. You don't want a small dumpling to eat. What? Ghost. Are the best dumpling ever eat. Camel in night. Sure, me put camel in flour. Jesus Christ, me not put enough. Bumbo. Don't like ghost. If you let it the camel, it'll get brown. Camel, see the complexion, you don't have enough camel. You know that? Me put camel like, we have evidence. Jesus Christ, people can say, I go to name, that's not a duppy. Oh, no. No, you can't cook. Because you have some island in the mark from 2005.
You don't want a good second. Seal you don't want a good second for the seal work.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that, man.
Yeah, Indians, man. Hey, I get the baddest bun, you know. I say me have a woman, I live with a woman one time to blood clot, you know. I tell this woman left. That's why I don't sleep at blood clot. Bed in again, I sleep at bed corner. The woman sleep at the corner, the blood sleep bed in and go road like me drop asleep.
Yeah.
Go road and come back. Woman go road and come back to blood clot like me wake when I do man a ball. Why? Why? How by my neck? My blood clot, me get up live up my chest and my shit. I look how by the man neck to blood clot. Can't find no neck to blood clot. What by the man neck?
Yeah.
In the early morning to blood clot, we get up, you know, when I was at the house, when I look at my neck, I saw a big red spot.
Yeah.
And neck. I miss a miss, you know, say, anyhow, you know, ball is something by the last time I checked, I can't get a neck.
Yeah.
It's like you man get a neck to blood clot and ball say, something by my blood clot. Neck, you man call me a fuck, me say, woman, hey, you man come in a blood clot, he can ball out in the night. I see something by my neck, and my machine a search and go out. Hey, how that kick anything, if you a cockroach, I'm not chop that grass. Me say, in the house now, we are wash plate in the kitchen, and I love a boy.
Yeah.
When me look, red spot. Red spot, me say. Me start woman give me more Nicky. The woman just something bite my neck to blood clot, boy. Hey. No, don't, never do that, never do that, never do that. Me say, no, me say, woman. Who said Nicky? No, never. No, I never said that. No, me say, woman. No. What a fuck, a lie don't tell me. What a liar. What a lie don't tell me. Lie don't tell me. You know what I'm saying? Lie don't tell me. What a liar. What a wicked. You know what I'm saying? I never said that.
Yeah.
No, I never can call Nicky. No. Hey, cut that. No. Man, fuck you and go, man. Who said that? Who not good looking? Go, me English. My English. My brown and me a bow leg. My girl don't love me.
No girl don't love you. They love a little money where we are give them. Learn that.
That's true. True.
Notice, you can't keep a girl over here to 3 days. Unless your money good. When you know no money, I told man if you come take you out, your blood clot was like a jail cell.
No go son. My son don't make a man rest.
Anything you know no money, me know city. Because your window open, you just a peep like you want it to blow.
Lie them and tell for me. Sometimes I come and fasting, you understand me?
Yeah.
So let me take time out for myself.
If I'm fasting, I watch you fast the blood clot, you want to fast.
That boy, that fucking. That's something like neighbor. You know like neighbor. Me see in the hospital? No, I not go there. I look for her. No, I look for her. I look me still a nice lady.
Yeah.
Be a fuck when you go. Me not watch her. Me never watch her on it. Never watch her on it. Woman watch me, cause me brown and me a bow leg and me come from England.
I am Muffin.
And me a muffin, so woman have to watch me.
Yeah.
Yo, me a woman watch me already, you know I use. And take all the blood clot baby for the taxi, you know. And the baby for the drop on the whole day look for me and can't come here, you know. Can't come here and he had me there, you know. And charge him a bag of money. Taxi man drive one wife straight. Because Nicky said me that man yard. And the man knows me that yard, you know. The man drive me on Nicky straight and charge Nicky much bag of money to blood clot. The man said me can't get sitting there waiting me I catch you. Charge Nicky a blood clot big money, you know so what they Nick me hear that?
Yeah.
No, me and the uncle ugly man where woman ever dress in black and watch. Watch me, man. Me hot boy. Me come brown. Me have bow leg. Me smell good.
Andrew tell me say, yo,
What?
pussy one of you alone here.
Yeah. No, man. Him. I boss that,
Tell
man.
me say I'm the artist man a backward. Me say no, you're artist boy at front door.
Tell him, Lottie. What is it?
Artist ugly man, the most ugly girl.
Yeah. Come on.
Right, so the boy ugly.
Yeah, man. No tell one name. Artist man is come class. Poor man I get bun.
Andrew. When me say Andrew, I say, bro, she was
Yo.
not class picture, call up my name and tell us that she.
Yes, Andrew, hey, you know, so Andrew do what day? Andrew take one son, man, white girl.
Nice son.
Andrew take one son, white girl, what day?
Let me know if I think you did know.
Yo, Andrew mash up one son live. More I can sing at Canada next year. Every Friday. Alright. Every Friday my dog gonna go KFC. Saturday time they go when they call it Shakira, the Chinese restaurant. Shakira. My dog them well trained. He said they can get KFC, they just them halal food them up here. My dog like chicken and pork. Yeah. No, the fuck. They don't like goat. You can have 10 goat, my dog gonna food them, but chicken.
You say me dog you get KFC, they have every chicken up.
Chicken over here. Hey, every Friday my dog actually there. My dog them dress up got a KFC.
Yeah.
She's 10 dog at KFC.
Yeah.
Right? What day then that Shakira? What day we send 5 dog at Canada? All them at Canada, one cat go there and come back home. All my dog go there. My dog is send money grandma day.
Yeah?
Yeah, cat don't go away soon. And he said, my cat in one day. You know why what cat do up there? All my dog say cat run. Cat said no, I come back home.
Yes.
Come here, come here.
Yes, eh?
Put on dog, now we see him look. My grandmother always tell me that.
That-
Never have opinion call him puss. No, a cat. No, call him dog. You ever see police train puss it? Police train puss, you know, in a spy puss.
Yes.
Not that puss go cross the road, can't kill that. Dog train, see a dog use to find everything.
Find everything.
Never puss. No puss.
Mm-mm.
You know what? Why you never give cat that name, say name cat?
Mm-mm.
You know, cat wants a young baby though.
Mm-hmm.
Because I don't know, boy, cat should clean the bathroom with the phone man and go there.
Mm-hmm.
Man, it's a be a young baby, a ball. Cat don't say for me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's a baby blood clot ghost in a cat house.
I don't know.
Yeah, man.
I don't know that.
Yeah, man. There's a baby dead pit in a cat house, cat room, and bathroom. Be a dead pit in a place.
Meow.
Yeah, meow. I don't want to name Johnny to him too.
Who?
Johnny. Johnny not going to pit in either.
Johnny where the pan?
Johnny not going to pit in. Johnny Gillen to the right.
Mm-hmm.
Johnny Bill Gillen, man. All them are Gillen. We do all them business now.
Yeah.
Hey, you know that France and Beverly used to dance together. France, Beverly, hold on. Beverly used to dance France, like, you know, and my first man, and then down to CC Baker, you know.
Yeah.
Disco.
Yeah.
Beverly and Milo, Beverly used to dance France, like, see that? And then run back, you know. Hey, you know, sorry. And then what? That time in the France show, the France, yeah, long time. The other both CC Baker, and then when the first CC Buddha, what do you call it, contest?
Yeah.
Allow metal?